Nums. Today, the Bumble Nums are going to make Honking Gooseberry Pie. But what's the secret ingredient? 8 honking gooseberries. The Bumble Nums are waiting for the honking gooseberries to start honking. Right, Grumble and Stumble?
Yum!
Yum!
Yum! And Humble?
Yum! Yum!
Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, yum!
Look up, Bumble Nums. The honking gooseberries are honking and flying overhead. You know what that means, Bumble Nums. The honking gooseberries are ready to collect for your honking gooseberry pie.
Yum!
Now remember, Bumble Nums, we need 8 honking gooseberries.
Yum!
Yum!
Yum, yum. 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 Yum.
Yum, yum! Yum, yum, yum!
The honking gooseberries are following you in the shape of a V, Bumble Nums. Work together to fly all 8 of them back to the kitchen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You did it, Bumble Nums. Now let's fly these honking gooseberries back to the kitchen.
Yum!
There's the kitchen. Coming in for a landing. Fancy flying, Bumble Nums. Do you have all 8 honking gooseberries? Good! Now that we have the secret ingredient to make our honking gooseberry pie, it's time for the cooking countdown! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bumble Nums, you've done it again. Now take a big honkin' bite of your honking gooseberry pie.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, 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 yum. How does it taste, Bumble Nums?
Yum!